It's a new dawn, it's a new riding day. Today I'm riding again with my dad with his Himalayan, and we're setting off at around 5 p.m. so we're going to ride back in the sunset. So it's going to be great. You got anything to say? I agree. You agree. We have reached our destination of the day. It's 7 o'clock, so if we rode about an hour and a half, like we thought we would, and we have arrived at this nature environment point. This place is called Averbode. There's an organization in Belgium that protects certain forests and certain natural environments, and this is one of them. So it's an untouched place, so it seems. There are, of course, there are pathways that you can follow, and there are dustbins and stuff like that, but other than that it's pretty quiet and chill. So we're gonna continue our walk towards the end. We have arrived at the Abbey of Averbode. It's a really nice looking church, abbey, and I didn't know this spot. Apparently it's a pretty popular spot. My dad's like, "You don't know this?" And I'm like, "No." So yeah, it's a recommended spot if you live near here. If you live near here, you probably already know it, but it's closed, so we can't go inside. They're working over here, so they're cleaning the place up, and I think they already cleaned up this building and this place, this square. And there's nobody around, so it's really chill and quiet right now. We walked for about 2 hours because we took a wrong turn in the beginning somewhere. Meanwhile, the sun is setting behind us. So we're gonna leave, we're gonna take the bikes and go back with the sunset in the distance. So we're probably gonna make it back before midnight, but it's gonna be later as we planned. But it's not that bad. The only thing left to do is do the movie quote, because I forgot again. So I want to thank all the people that commented on the previous video guessing the movie quote. Your comments are right here on the screen. Thank you very much. At the end of this video there's another movie quote. If you guess it right, your comments will be in the next video. Alright, we made it back. It was a long drive back. We drove for 2 hours and my eyes were hurting because I have hay fever, but we managed to get back home. So I hope you like this video, and I'll guess this movie quote.
What if this is as good as it gets?